How to find fundraisers notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find fundraisers notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and now just click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then click the storylines, and here you will find settings, and then notifications, and now click fundraisers. And as you see here, you will find it fundraiser notification settings. You can turn it off or on just by one click, and then just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.